Hi everyone, Dr. Obi from Pain Free and Fit. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a customized healing exercise that I use with one of my actual patients who suffered from chronic spondylolisthesis and stenosis and found a one exercise movement that combined multiple corrections for pain relief. Hope you enjoy. This pain relief exercise was designed for a patient with L3 and L4 spondylolisthesis, low back stenosis at several levels, a chronic left hip flexor strain and shortening, and multiple degrees of disc herniation, degeneration, and arthritis throughout the lower back. The case was also complicated by pain, especially with extension or leaning backwards with the upper back, and the patient had a tendency to lean her rib cage to the left and hip hike or elevate her left hip while walking. The exercise was designed to correct all of these movement tendencies and muscle imbalances in one motion. To begin, the right leg was flexed with the foot flat on the table as the left leg was held flat to induce slight hip extension on the left, which will help to stretch the left psoas in relation to the right leg. At the first part of this exercise, the patient was instructed to push her left leg long through the heel, which helped the left hip down away from the left rib. From this point, she was also instructed to perform a tail under or posterior pelvic tilt motion, which would flatten the lower back, relieving symptoms, and to perform a slight sit-up or crunch as she leaned to the right side with her ribs. Repetitions were performed back and forth, holding the top position for a second or two, and was given as a pain relief home exercise being performed for 10 repetitions multiple times a day. After 1 week, marked improvement in symptoms in low back, hip, and groin pain was noted. This case study once again emphasizes the need and importance of including corrective exercises to help heal you based on an analysis of your body posture, movement errors, muscle imbalances, and conditioning. Without addressing these factors, many times your body gets stuck and never realizes its full healing potential. I suggest always working with a good rehab specialist who takes their time to properly analyze all of these facets of your health. And if you don't have one nearby, you can check out many of our self-help programs available at painfreeandfit.com.